Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I organize all my individual shadows. I have depotted my Juvia's Place eyeshadows. My Makeup Forever eyeshadows already came as singles, and I depotted these Morphe eyeshadows. You're going to need to also have these Scotch tape. They are double-sided tape squares and I love them a lot. They are so useful. You're going to need some alcohol to clean your eyeshadows, and you're also going to need some bubble wrap. Now these I found on Amazon, and these are 3 for, wait a minute, wait for it, 3 for $16.99. So I was trying to find some empty eyeshadow palettes on Amazon, and they were $34.99 a piece for a large compact like this. So I'm so glad that I came across it. They're actually magazine holders. So I took my alcohol and I cleaned it, and then I took each individual eyeshadow and I cleaned the back of it and I cleaned the sides of it because I'm a stickler for neatness, so that really plays a big part. And so now you just take your double-sided tape, stick it to the back, peel off that little layer, and you just stick it into your empty eyeshadow case. And I just went through all my eyeshadows and I just cleaned them, and then I just took the double-sided tape and just repeated the process. Now, if you want to, you can utilize the left side of the case to get more shadows in, but I didn't want to do that. So here's where you bring in your bubble wrap, and you just go ahead and measure it and cut off what you don't need so that you can use that as a cover for your eyeshadows. And this is it right here. You can go ahead and close it right on the sides, and it is very, very sturdy. And I took my labeler and I just labeled what each eyeshadow palette contains. And yeah, I only paid $16.99 for 3 of these. So that's my Makeup Forever eyeshadows, my Juvia's Place eyeshadows, and actually what I'm getting ready to show you is they are stackable and they don't take up so much space. If you see it in person, you would know. But also what you can do is you can take and you can label the back of each eyeshadow if you want, and that way you'll know which one you need to replace if you run out. The Makeup Forever eyeshadows already come labeled, and that's what I love about them. And the Morphe eyeshadows, they don't have names. Some of them don't have names, so I just made sure I kept it really clean so that it won't look a mess in the back. And this is very sturdy. That double-sided tape isn't moving those shadows around at all. So this is the final look. I will link where you can purchase these at in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.